Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install Rocky Linux 9.3 on VMware Workstation 17.5. So this is my VMware Workstation latest version. Okay, now I am going to create one new virtual machine. So select the option I will install the operating system later. So under Linux, select Red Hat Enterprise Linux 964-bit. So I am giving one name to the virtual machine. Next, provide the path where virtual machine is getting stored. Next, I am allocating 40 GB virtual hard disk size, store it as a single file. Customize hardware. Increase the RAM size to 8 GB. CPU cores, 4 CPU cores. So use ISO image file, Rocky Linux 9.3 DVD ISO file. So network adapter will be host only adapter. So this is offline installation, no internet connection is needed. Okay. Okay, installer started. English will be my default language. Select the installation destination. So select the time and date. Software selection will be server with GUI, that is base environment will be server with GUI. Provide the root password. So I am providing the simple password. So create one login user. So installation is completed. After rebooting the virtual machine, I am logging in. So settings, options, guest isolation, you can see that drag and drop and copy paste, that is shared clipboard, is already enabled. So VMware tools will be automatically installed while installing the operating system. No need to install manually. So now I am going to check the copy paste feature, that is shared clipboard feature is working fine or not. So I am copying the terminal output to Windows source machine. Yes, I can able to copy paste. So copy paste feature is working fine. Let me check from Windows source machine to Rocky Linux 9.3 virtual machine. Yes, I can able to copy paste. So shared clipboard, that is copy paste feature is working fine. Next I am going to try drag and drop. So drag and drop feature I am going to try. So under documents folder I am going to drag and drop some files from Windows source machine. Let us see what's going to happen. Yes, I can able to drag and drop the file. So you can see the file operations. Let me try one more. Yes, I can able to copy paste. So drag and drop option is working fine. I can able to drag and drop the files smoothly. Okay, now finally I am going to try shared folder. Okay, shared folder. So shut down the virtual machine, settings, options, shared folders. Select the option always enabled. Add the shared folder. So now I am adding the Windows host machine folder. That is, I am mounting the Windows host machine folder to Rocky Linux 9.3 virtual machine. So this is the name of the share, always enabled. Okay. Okay, so once you log in, open the terminal. So type the command VMware HGFS client. Yes, so shared folder is mounted and it's available, but we need to access the content of shared folder. For that, I am checking whether HGFS directory is available or not. It's available under /mnt. So, but it's empty. So login as a root user. I am going to edit the /etc/fs tab file. So here I am going to add the shared folder permanently using the vmg fs-fuse space /mnt /hgfs space fuse space default comma allow other. Okay, so add this line. Okay, now type the command mount -a. So this will mount all the directories systemctl daemon -reload. Okay, after executing this command, open another terminal, login as an ordinary user and try to access the shared folder. Yes, I can able to access the content of shared folder. So Rocky Linux 9.3 installation on VMware Workstation 17.5 with VMware tools is successful. All the three features, drag and drop, shared folder, shared clipboard, is working fine.